Hi, I'm Phil Dirty Drive Away. So we are here in Bromley, home ground yet again. We are lucky, and today we have 100 square metres of tegular style block paving, and it's going to be cleaned and sanded. It's going to get a deep clean treatment, so a little bit of sodium hypochlorite just to try and shift some of this in-ground dirt. It's a little bit mossy, not too weedy, generally pretty good. I cleaned it I think 2 or 3 years ago now, and it's due for a clean. And yeah, let's get straight into some cleaning action. I'm going to set you up, I'm going to put you a little bit higher, and I'm going to get another camera hopefully set up over there on the window, and so hopefully we get some different angles. Right, let's get straight into it. Right, welcome to the video. So people have been missing my voice, so I thought I'd do a bit of narration. So you can see in this video we're starting off with the XJet M5, giving this a pre-treat with some sodium hypochlorite, and as you can see it blows through the area pretty quickly, gets that hypo down really fast, enabling you to get on with the work, get into the clean as quickly as possible. I normally like to leave this stuff down about 15-20 minutes before starting the jet washing, just give it a little bit of a chance to break down some of the dirt. Depending upon the area, depends whether I do pre-treat, post-treat, both. Normally a pre-treat is sufficient if it's just light dirt, and if you've got any residual staining afterwards you can then go over it again and then rinse it down as a post-treat. So in this video today we're going to be using the Falch Point Speed 5. It's a great tool for cutting through moss, dirt and block paving, stuff like that. I do get asked quite a lot about different tools, different methods. Why I do this way, why I do that way, why do I use such a tool? I just try basically to show different tools in the videos. I say it's not always the best method, the easiest method or the quickest method, it's just the method that I'm using for this video. Yes, on this particular driveway, surface cleaner may have been a little bit quicker, but people have been saying they've not seen the Point Speed 5 for a while, so I thought I'd break it out and just do a quick video on this tool. So I've gone for two different angles here. I've gone for a far angle and a sort of close-up angle, as you can see in the bottom left corner. Just basically showing me blowing through this dirt. This one did turn out to be a little bit awkward in the end. There is a drain at the bottom of the driveway. You can't see it in this on this angle, but at the bottom of the driveway there is a drain, and I know it is a main drain because when I cleaned it last time it flowed quite well, but unfortunately this time it was backed up, and so were the drains that were leading out onto the main access road. Unfortunately there is a stony access road. A lot of the stones get washed down in the heavy rain and consequently starts to block the drains up and they start backing up. So in this video I used a 3:1 mix ratio on the XJet, and the chemical has very little effect on artificial grass. I dare say if you spray the artificial grass with some neat sodium hypochlorite it may over time bleach it, but at these sort of lower dilution ratios it has no effect on artificial grass whatsoever. In fact the artificial grass and the fence and the light grey pathway under the fence and window is a new addition. There was a bush that used to sit underneath that window, hence the reason why I sprayed under there, because it was a little bit dirty. So yeah, that's a new addition. But obviously, spray the whole lot just so it all blends in quite nicely. I often get asked here about my rinse down nozzle. These are just it's just a large orifice nozzle. Sometimes they're called chemical nozzles. But I make these up myself. I can make them in different sizes depending upon what pressure I want. They work best when the machines run at full RPM, so you get maximum flow rate, maximum pressure. But they're really good at rinsing down. Really moves the muck around and gets it rinsed really quickly without lifting out too much of the residual sand that's still in the joints, if that makes sense. So because it's quite relatively low pressure, you're not constantly blowing out more and more sand and dirt like you do with a high pressure fan jet. So again, in that section there you saw I'm actually using a floor squeegee They are marvellous at shifting residual surface water and sand, much better than a broom. It actually clears a lot quicker than a broom. The broom tends to get clogged up quite quickly. So by using a floor squeegee, you can actually pull a lot more of the sand and the water with you, and it makes it a lot quicker for clearing up all that muck. So I'm just going to let you sit here and watch some more of this video. I enjoy the Point Speed 5, and I gave up my DJing job especially for this. But in the meantime, here's the Nexus Riddim by Conrad Old Money. So you can see here how well this floor squeegee really gets this muck moving. Gets that sand and all that sort of moss and just general detritus moving around. People ask me what I'm actually bagging it into here, and these are polypropylene bags. They're not conventional sort of like black sort of plastic bag material. These are actually like a fine woven mesh. So basically when you scoop all the muck up and put it into these bags, it allows the water to drain out. So rather than having a big bag of slop, if you basically put it into these polypropylene bags and leave them at the side up on a grassy area over a drain, over the course of sort of 10-15 minutes or so, the actual water just naturally filters out the bottom, so it leaves all the sand and muck inside the bag. All the water can drain out. Makes it a lot easier to get rid of, and you're not carrying around big sloppy bags of water. So that's the end of the cleaning, just in the final rinse. I'll show you a picture of the finished result. But in usual fashion, that's all from me. Happy cleaning. Bye for now.